In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post earnings in Binance using the Binance earning feature. This is a quick and straightforward process that should take only about 5 minutes of your time. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Binance app on your mobile device. Once you have it up and running, navigate to the section labeled Earn. This is the place where you can explore various options and opportunities to grow your cryptocurrency holdings. Now, this section offers a range of choices for earning potential, whether you're looking for something with lower risk or aiming for higher yields. It's important to assess which option aligns best with your financial goals and risk tolerance. After deciding between a low risk or a high yield earning opportunity, the next step is to select the cryptocurrency coin you want to invest in. Binance supports a wide variety of coins, so you'll likely find the one you're interested in. Once you've picked your coin of choice, you will see an option to tap subscribe. This means you're preparing to deposit funds and participate in the earnings program for that particular coin. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to subscribe with. Enter this amount carefully, ensuring that it aligns with your investment strategy and available funds. Double check your inputs, as cryptocurrency investments can be highly volatile, and managing your risk is crucial. Once you're satisfied with the amount you've entered, go ahead and confirm the transaction. At this point, you're not only committing your funds, but you're also setting in motion a process where your earnings begin. The great thing about using the Binance earning feature is that it automatically tracks your earnings for you. After your subscription, you can easily keep an eye on your investment performance by going to the wallet section and then to earn. Here you'll see a summary of your investments along with the interest or earnings that are being accumulated. This automated tracking helps you stay informed about your total returns and how your chosen strategy is playing out over time. And that's it. You've successfully posted your earnings on Binance in just a few straightforward steps. Remember, managing investments requires regular reviews of your choices, especially considering the fluctuating nature of the crypto market. So frequently check back into your earnings section to see how things are shaping up. Thank you for watching this tutorial on posting earnings in Binance. If you found this guide helpful, consider keeping an eye out for more tutorials that dive into other intriguing aspects of cryptocurrency investments. Happy earning, and see you next time.